Hello everyone, today I want to introduce our new series of dosing pump. This series is MF series. It includes 4 sub-series. You may say this is MF 103. For voltage, we may do 1010. MF is manual control. We also have ML, MC, MG. ML is manual control but with level probe port. MC is also manual control with level probe port, but it also with automatic flow regulation. It with the pulse signal. And the last one is MMG. MMG is with 420 mA current signal. In short, we offer a variety of models, not just the MF manual model in the video, but also many other models. You may take a look at our catalog. We also have another sub-series. It includes XF, XA, XL, XG. It with flow display, so customer can see the flow display instead of the frequency, which is very convenient. That's all. Bye bye. Welcome to inquiry.